At Romeo High School, chemistry students had the opportunity to take learning beyond the classroom and into the real world through hands-on partnership with L&L Products.
So at L&L Products, we have core values, and two of our core values are to be a good citizen in our community and an entrepreneurial spirit. And so really this project where we brought the students in to this industry to show them chemistry and material science really is part of our core values. And so that's why L&L Products wanted to be a part of this project.
Day one began with L&L Products team members visiting all the chemistry classes. They introduced students to the company, explained how chemistry was used every day in real-world applications, and unveiled a new product currently in development called Faster.
So basically the product is something that you can fill a damaged hole and then you can hang or fasten a fastener from it, and it can support the same weight or higher than drywall.
At the end of the day, an opportunity was given to identify a group of students who were interested in continuing deeper work on the project. On day two, students who expressed interest in being part of the team traveled to L&L Products to see chemistry in action. They observed and participated in live demonstration of the Faster material, toured the facility, and learned about engineering processes and industry standards.
A key takeaway was exposing the students to a real-world work environment. We showed them our facility. They got to see mixing equipment, the research and development formulating lab.
Students then brainstormed potential uses for Faster, discussing real-world loading and case scenarios and exploring different material applications. Day three shifted to hands-on collaboration. Chemistry students worked side by side with construction trade students and L&L professionals to prepare and install the Faster material.
We needed a focus group who could test and see whether or not the product was going to work out in the field. And we had them read instructions and see whether or not they could apply the product.
On day four, students worked in small teams to evaluate the quality and the performance of the material.
So we talked about how much weight did we want to test? What was the weight of a TV that maybe someone might hang from this fastening point? We talked about how we might hang it. Will we have the fixture point close to the wall or far away from the wall, and what that meant of the forces on the fastening point?
This evaluation brought together chemistry students, construction trade students, and L&L employees, encouraging cross-disciplinary learning and authentic problem solving.
I think the experience with L&L was wonderful.
Working with L&L was pretty cool.
I was really able to learn about the science area of it.
We got to get hands-on a lot.
My favorite experience of working with L&L was being able to meet a lot of different people and being able to test just sort of what kind of instructions would work better for what different type of scenario.
Getting to see the different fields that everybody works in and every little thing that comes together for the company was really cool to experience.
Some advice I would give to a student with the same opportunity would be to take it.
Take the opportunity, get really hands-on, and ask as much questions as possible.
L&L Products definitely enjoyed this experience. It was great working with the students and the enthusiasm that they had. We also found it was great for L&L Product with this community outreach.
Through this experience, students at Romeo High School gained a deeper understanding of how chemistry connects to engineering, skilled trades, and industry innovation, proving that learning truly comes to life when education and industry work together. I am Eva Dawson, and I am a Bulldog Transformer.